So out here just working on a few things, painting up the trailer. I pulled off the winch because I'm going to be redoing that whole mount system on there, figure something out better, but did a little upgrade here for the welder. Yeah, so the original welding clamp for the ground or earth was this beefy yet thin clamp. I mean, yeah, it's nice, but I mean, that thing is, I mean, we're talking 8.5 inches and very small, very small opening. And then this, it says it's rated for up to 500 amps, but as you can see, it's only got one brass side, and that's it. So what I did was I got this one. This one is actually rated for 300 and dual brass, extremely heavy duty, much larger, better handling. Width on it is much better. You have a better option there, and you get better handling. And this one here, don't know if you can see in there, but if you use smaller rods, you have to pinch it at the very end. UTV peoples. But yeah, this, it crimps each one all the way down max, whereas this one, it's very large hole in there. Yeah. And then as for the ground, I opted for one of these bad boys. Smaller but stronger grip, and opens up better. These guys together, I think they were like $50, but that's an upgrade in and of itself. I'll get more use and better grounding out of this guy than I did this one. I mean, yeah, you've got teeth, but I mean, look, you've got 5 small points of contact. This, you have one massive point of contact. All the contact point in here is about twice as much contact as this. This you have, I think I measured, it's like 2.2 centimeters, 2.2 square centimeters, like just small. And then this was 9 centimeters square. I did clear coat the toolbox. This is fully clear coated with some nice clear coat top. I wanted to make it more waterproof. It already survived one day in the rain, but I mean, it's 100 and something degrees out. But I've got to clear off this. I basically just cut through the grinds, but stuff got behind there because I just welded the 2 ends, and that was it. So got to clean that off. I'm going to be painting the deck white. I've got the paint over there next to Peanut, but I'm going to do the deck white. That way it's covered and sealed. But yeah, there's so much going on out here. I mean, I am getting over being sick for the past 30 hours or so. I mean, it was a real bad sickness, so I'm still dealing with that. But I'm going to paint this all up, get it back in order, and then I ordered some gussets, some 45-degree gussets. I'm going to mount them on this inner corner here and on the inner corner over there, right there. So it's gonna be, where am I? It's gonna be right there, 45, so that these uprights are completely braced in the bottom corner, and then when I do the braces at the top corner here and on the inside, it'll square off this whole end. And the gussets on the inside are only 1 7/8 large, so they're not going to be in the way or anything. It's just going to be the bottom corner there. Then underneath each one of these points, I'm going to do a tack weld, because you can see under there, they just painted it together. They just painted it together instead of actually, welding it. I mean, they welded here, and that's good, but they should have welded the top. I mean, would have had a lot more platform if they just welded the top, but to each their own, I guess. So that's my next thing, is I'm going to do tack welds on each of these, so that the whole side is locked in place, so that it's just one solid piece going up. And here's my doofus. Yeah. My little rock eater. Yeah. Goofy. But a few more steps on this, and she'll be done, like done. But I mean, got projects after projects. I'm looking at more things to weld. One of the biggest things I want to do is I want to get out to my property and pick up some of the steel that's left out there. I mean, hell, there's I want to say about maybe 6,000 pounds of steel out there. So I mean, there was just pallet after pallet, just piles, 3 feet tall of steel pipe, steel rods, rebar, just everything. So I mean, if I can get out there, even with the truck, with the trailer, something, fill up the trailer, fill up the truck, something, then I'll bring some of that steel home, and then I'll have some stuff to play with. There's one thing that I'd love to do, is I'd love to build and weld up a nice 8-foot wide gate, and then take it back out to the property and set it up so that I actually have a gated property. But then again, for the gated property, I'm going to need 150 T-posts, and then 4 spools of barbed wire, and a ton of clips, and I'm gonna need like 3 days out there. But I mean, it's definitely gonna be a process. If I could sell the truck and sell the Jeep and get a 4x4 truck, even if it's like a S10 or a Dodge or Ford or something, just a small 4x4 truck, it'd be pretty damn good. But 'tis the season. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the spare wheel off of this. I'm gonna climb in here and start painting some stuff. But I'm gonna have to sweep all the crud off of here before I do any of that. Just wanted to do a quick little update on some stuff. I've been down for a few days. But, let's get to it.